The snake looks like it's floating above the glass, not like it's part of it. So let's plug it in. First, load up the snake layer is a selection by holding Command or Control and clicking on its thumbnail. Now go to Layer, Layer Mask, and Reveal Selection. And what this does is it creates a mask for everywhere outside the snake area, so we can't see the difference. Switch to the Smudge tool. Set the strength to about 80% and choose one of these spatter brushes. Smear up the mask from outside the snake in front of it to give the impression of glass blowing over the top. This can take a while, so I've sped up this part of the film a little. If you make a mistake, you can always smear in the opposite direction. To correct it, we need to add a shadow to this. To go on to the background layer, make a new layer and call it Shadow. Switch to the Brush tool and choose a small soft edge brush. Set your opacity to about 30% so we can build up the shadow. And now paint in some shading underneath the snake, so it looks much more like it's laying on top of this grass. To add little shadow to the snake itself, go into the snake layer, make another new layer, set the snake as a clipping mask, and now paint a little bit of shadow onto that snake behind the glass in the foreground. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe to this channel. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.